Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Is there any benefit as a homeowner if I don't have any leaks, but my roof is a little bit aged, get some roofing tar and just clean up the penetrations and put a new fresh coat on?
Yeah, so for shingle roofs, we use a sealant, but with the Arizona heat, that sealant does crack. So you usually have like a pipe jack or you have a T-top, and around that, if it is cracked, then we will go out there and we'll actually help you maintenance it, and we will put new plastic cement around the neck of it. When we initially install the roof, we put it underneath, but over time, that's gonna crack, and so then we'll put it around the top. So yeah, a lot of people don't realize that, and sometimes you may not even need a full roof replacement, you may just need the maintenance redone, and we can go out there and do that for you.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona